This is our twist on spicy party wings. We're using drumettes in this case.
Can you see if they're here? Well, who did you mean? Who's here?
We're going to season our drumettes with smoked sea salt, black garlic, and smoked paprika. We're going to combine this powder mix as a dry rub by hand. Just make sure that all the wings are evenly coated. We want a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to heat the pan to medium.
What have you got screwed in there? 300-watt bulb?
You're going to put in your seasoned wings one by one, constantly flipping them after they're in the pan. We're going to grab our compound butter and use that to spice the wings. Cut approximately a 1-inch piece off the butter stick. Keep turning the wings individually to avoid undercooking them. Now add the compound butter to the wings. Keep that butter evenly spread throughout the pan. If you're using excessive amounts of oil or butter or garlic or something that's like pseudo-incendiary, that's going to carry a shit ton of smoke. Keep on medium heat until golden brown. The skin will recede and the bone will begin to be visible, clear signs of readiness. So once the temperature reaches approximately 270, then it's time to go into the oven. The wings have reached their temperature. Now it's time to transfer them into the oven at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Now that the wings are cooking, let's work on the sauce. We're going to start with a cup of your favorite hot sauce, followed by a sliced stick of butter, half teaspoon of Worcestershire, half teaspoon of soy sauce, a dash of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sherry vinegar. Mix your sauce and reduce it. Now take the wings out of the oven. Now you can let your wings rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Transfer your hot sauce to a bowl. Take your wings and lay them in the hot sauce. Roll them and ensure that they're evenly coated. Lay a little strip of sauce down. Arrange your wings on the presentation platter.
No more.
Now we add the feta for the final garnish.
Now let's go get your daughter.
The beast may not have wings, but I think he just earned them. The wing is soft and succulent, and the hot sauce gives it just the right amount of smoky, vinegary flavor with just the right amount of kick. For those of you who may want it a little bit spicier, sprinkle a little bit of chili powder on top. Let's see how creative you guys can get with your wings. Send the recipes to me, and maybe we'll try them on another show. Thank you for watching. A lot of professionals do it and whatever, but they're doing it as a gimmick. That has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with proper cooking